Hello, you are welcome to today's math tutorial for engineering professional services. Today we'll be solving the exercise on the sine of an angle. Question 1 says, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Find the angle at B with the given size of the triangle. Solution: we were given the opposite of the angle and also the hypotenuse. Sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse, where our opposite equal to 3 and our hypotenuse equal to 7. Sin theta equal to 3 over 7 equal to 0.428571. Theta therefore equal to sine inverse of 0.428571. Theta equal to 25.38 degrees. Now let's go to question number 2. Find the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle in the picture if theta equal to 42 degrees. Solution: from the question, theta equal to 42 degrees. Our opposite equal to 9. Hypotenuse is what we are looking for. Sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Sin 42 equal to 9 over hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse equal to 9 divided by sin 42. That is, we are making hypotenuse the subject of formula, equal to 9 divided by 0.6691. Our hypotenuse therefore equal to 13.45. Let's go to question 3. Find the unknown angle S with the given size of the triangle. We were given hints that we could use the tangent or we could use sine. Solution: we were given 3 sides of the triangle. Our opposite here equal to 5, our adjacent equal to 3, and our hypotenuse equal to 8. We are to find the angle at S. Using sine to find the angle at S, sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse equal to 5 over 8. Sin theta equal to 0.625. Theta therefore equal to sine inverse of 0.625, and this will give us 38.7 degrees. Now using tan to find the angle at S, tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent equal to 5 over 3. Tan theta equal to 1.6. Theta therefore equal to tan inverse of 1.6. Theta equal to 58 degrees. Now we cannot have two values for the angle at S. What's the issue with question 3? The triangle in question 3 has 3 sides that are not in concord with Pythagoras' theorem. In our next class, we shall talk briefly on Pythagoras' triples for us to understand what is wrong with question 3. Thank you for being part of this class. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.